Good afternoon, Danbury. I am student meteorologist Scott here with your forecast. Taking a look here, we have our viewer snapshot. This is on my drive-in today. It's a rare white squirrel. Now, seeing snow here in Danbury for the end of October would be a rare occasion, as was this squirrel. But kind of like that opportunity came and went, so did the opportunity for any of us to see snow. So, unfortunately for all you snow lovers, no snow. We'll be seeing that over the next few days. Dry weather will actually be the dominating factor for tomorrow and for your trick-or-treating weather. And down here, one thing that held true with the storm system was that we'd get windy and cold conditions. That'll hold true especially on your Sunday, as you'll see later in the 5-day. Now taking a look at the current conditions here in Danbury at the noon hour, we have a temperature of 52 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, some peaks of sun. If you check out there now, I'm sure there's a few poking through. Winds are out of the west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Take here a look at the satellite and clouds. You can see right off the coast here, these clouds were associated with that rain that we saw last night. And if you look farther out west here, we have some more clouds in upstate New York and western Pennsylvania. That'll be filtering our sunshine over the next few hours. And looking farther west, we have cloudiness over Minnesota and the upper Great Lakes. This is associated with the system which will end up forming, coming down here on the North Carolina coast, forming off there and then heading up the eastern seaboard. You'll see that on the map analysis here for tomorrow. We'll have that low again forming off the North Carolina coast, bringing then some snow and rain showers. Now as that storm heads off into the Atlantic Ocean, it's going to really start to strengthen. Off the coast of Cape Cod, we'll have a very, very strong storm, but it's just a little too far to the east to give us any real moisture and unfortunately no snow again. For all those snow lovers up in Nova Scotia and Maine, they'll be receiving the major effects from this storm. But again, as it heads up the coast, it's going to really strengthen and deepen and bring us some very cold and windy conditions, as you'll see later in our 5-day. For the hour-by-hour forecast here in Danbury at 5 p.m., we'll have mostly cloudy skies, seasonable temperature of 47 degrees. For midnight, we'll have partly cloudy skies with a cool temperature of 42 degrees. And then back here, for your wake-up, we'll have at 8 a.m. upper 30s, some sun, but dry conditions for the area. For your Halloween forecast, more in detail here, we'll have temperature of 55 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, but yet then again dry. Sunrise coming in at 7:22. And for your trick-or-treaters out there, Friday night, we'll have mostly cloudy skies, chance of a sprinkle late, coming in maybe after 8 or 9 p.m. So nothing to worry about for anyone going out trick-or-treating, except maybe that temperature there, 43 degrees. Kind of cool. Maybe you want to add another layer to your costumes for tomorrow, sunset coming in at 5:51. Taking a look at that 5-day again, Friday, Halloween, partly cloudy skies, 55 degrees, chance of shower, late night tomorrow. And on Saturday, that storm's going to develop off the coast, a little too far again to give us moisture, maybe a few showers with a temperature in the upper 40s. And on Saturday night, don't forget to set your clocks back, get an extra hour of sleep in there. Sunday, that's as that storm continues to deepen off the coast, it's going to bring in those windy conditions to our area. Cool temperature, 44 degrees. For the first time this season, we'll actually have the wind chill that'll be a factor. As you can see here, Sunday night, temperature in the upper 20s. Although that wind chill is going to be down to the lower 20s. And rebounding nicely for Monday with a temperature of 53 degrees. And then milder air coming in for Tuesday with a temperature approaching 60. Meet the team. Visit our website at wcsu.edu/weather and look for Frank on Monday at 2 p.m. Thank you and have a great evening.